Hello, Barrister Garn from Siam Center Law Group. Welcome to our podcast. Today we will be discussing an interesting topic that many people are curious about. Have you ever wondered how much money can be sued for an affair in Thailand and what substances are used as criteria for determination? We have some answers for you. There are about 8 criteria that Thai courts will use to determine damages in suing for money from an adulterer. Let's go through them one by one. Firstly, social standing is taken into consideration. This includes factors such as family background, education, occupation, income, and how well known one is in society. Secondly, the length of the marriage is considered. The longer the couple has been married, the higher the compensation they will receive. Thirdly, the scale of the wedding is taken into account. If there was a big wedding event, the amount of compensation will be higher. Fourthly, the number of children the couple has together is taken into consideration. The more children involved, the higher the compensation, as the court sees that there are more people affected. Fifthly, the relationship between the husband and wife before the affair is considered. If they had a smooth relationship before, the compensation will be higher. However, if they were already separated before registering their marriage, the compensation will be lower. Sixthly, the nature of the adultery is considered. If the affair was openly conducted and even posted on social media, the compensation will be higher. However, if the affair was kept a secret and conducted in private places like a hotel, the compensation will be lower. Seventh, the length of the affair is taken into account. The longer the affair lasted, the higher the compensation. Finally, the knowledge of the adulterer is considered. If the person involved in the affair knew that the other party was already married, they will have to pay compensation. However, if they were tricked into believing that the other party was single, the compensation will be lower. If they knew about the spouse beforehand, then the compensation will be higher. All of the above are the basic criteria that the courts in Thailand will use to determine the compensation for suing adultery. In most cases, the damages received will be around 100,000 baht to about 800,000 to 1 million baht. However, the amount ultimately awarded depends on the criteria mentioned above. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for listening to our podcast. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.